How to respawn the Ender Dragon in Minecraft. So first you will need the End Crystal, and if you want to craft that, you will need 28 glass blocks right here, 4 Eye of Enders, 4 gas tier, and of course your crafting table. So we will make 4 End Crystal, that's why we have these much materials. We just basically put our crafting table down, place the just like that. Once it's done, get your Eye of Ender, place it on the middle, and your gas tier right there. And once you have this formation, you will now get the End Crystal, which you can craft 4 of them. As you can see, just like that. Now, once you have 4 of them, what you will need to do now is just simply go to the end. Now, once you are on the end, you simply need to get your End Crystal and place the 4 crystals just like this formation on the middle of each side right here. And as you can see, this will pop up, and you just simply need to wait. And it will connect all of those. You just simply need to wait for it to finish. So it will just basically look like that. Now, after quite some time right here, as you can see, the Ender Dragon will now respawn. That's how you basically respawn the Ender Dragon in Minecraft.